The Avamix Apex HBX blenders are an ideal solution for heavy-duty commercial kitchens and front-of-the-house operations. These durable machines operate with a 3.5 horsepower 1800-watt motor. Their stainless steel blades easily crush large ingredients in ice, while the blending power ensures product consistency. Each blender features a highly durable BPA-free Tritan jar with a two-piece lid design that lets you add ingredients while blending. Jars are available in stainless steel and different color options. The sound enclosure seals tightly to dampen sound while blending. These blenders come with 5 programmable recipe buttons for your most popular drinks. They feature 8 speed settings, a pulse switch for precision blending, a built-in timer, and a waterproof LED touchscreen. Avamix Apex blenders are sleek, sturdy, and hold up to frequent use in heavy operations.